Hello guys. We're back at Good Life Fitness Center. Uh, it's early bird, so probably around 5 in the morning here. So we're early bird, so just sleep like 5 hours and then jump in again. Try to catch up. Like I said, stay in shape, get healthier and stronger. Okay, yesterday we did a chest routine. So probably this morning we're gonna do different routines. So I didn't do this for a while. So we're gonna do lunges and make sure don't forget your stretching and warm up. And I just done my stretching and warm up, and my best buddy in the gym right here is my skipping rope, guys. So always I do when I'm done stretching and then I do ropes probably 10-15 minutes. So if I'm good to go, and yeah, this is my best friend right here. Okay, let's start cracking, guys. And see right there, that lunges is probably about around 20, 25, not closer to 30. Okay, let's do lunges, guys. See you guys. Okay. Six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Oh. Okay. Pardon, guys. I have to catch my breath, and yeah, that lunges is good for lower body, guys, like legs, uh, hamstring, calves, and etc. Well, I cannot believe that the September September already, because there's a big plan coming in next year. If nothing changes, I'll be heading home for vacationing for 2 to 3 months, guys. There we can do a lots of vlogging, guys. So that's a good thing and good news for you guys. Yeah, cause here it's not easy to vlog here, cause the how you call that, the privacy and some of it they don't like on camera or in video. It's not like same as us. We love selfie and we love video and we love vlogging as well. Okay, so now I was rested, so probably let's do one more and we call it in the morning, guys, because I have to work later on around 3 in the afternoon. So it's about 5:30 right now. So okay, let's get cracking for last set. Oh, pardon my delays again, guys. See you right here, guys. holy smoke. I didn't do that one for a while, guys, so that's why I was catching on my breath. Yeah, gonna be. Make sure, guys, you go to the gym. Make sure you do 50-50 routine. At least balance. Cause I'm sorry to say this, guys. I'm not gonna look same as those guys that all they do is all upper body part and they're lower at their body part, because you have to be 50-50 at the gym. That's why it balance, because I'm not gonna look like ice cream cone, guys. You have to be balanced exactly. And probably that's it for the morning here in Canada. Good afternoon, no, not afternoon, good evening, Philippines. I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.